you to meet Positivity Maker, or PM as we call it for short. You're probably wondering what PM can bring you. Well, it can bring you peace, it can bring you tranquility, it can bring you rejuvenation, and it can bring you absorption of positive energy. We all have moments of doubt that we need to get through, and PM will help you to do that. Firstly, let's look at peace. 7 minutes of guided meditation, which is push button easy, and you'll feel the benefit regardless of your mood when you started. Tranquility. Your negative emotions will float away. The maze of smoke will clear in your mind, revealing a more positive, a more focused, and a more successful you. Rejuvenation. Recharge your energy and spirit. Beat Sync audio will realign your mind, and in accordance with Reiki principles, your chakras will be retuned to a higher vibration. Absorption. Be absorbed and entertained. Hypnosis elements will draw you in, freeing your subconscious mind. Imagery and nature sounds will cool your conscious mind to allow this to happen. Join the positive as you watch the guided meditation of imagery and sound, and use your own affirmations. You'll join the positive. All it takes is 7 minutes, twice per day, with Positivity Maker. Order now. Just go to http://reach4.us/pm.htm. That is http://reach4.us/pm.htm. Order Positivity Maker today and join the positive.